Good morning, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to the channel again. I'm trying to have some energy, but I'm faking it. I'm so tired. It's 6:27 a.m. Headed to Truxton Park to fish the main lake. The other day I was out there throwing around the trick shad glide bait, and I got a bunch of followers on it, a lot. So it got me thinking, like, okay, if those are willing to follow, then there's probably others out there same size, you know, and they're like 3-pounders. And I haven't caught anything at Truxton in a long time, so bringing the kayak out there. I got an idea of how I'm gonna launch and, you know, park and pick up and all that. So we'll see how that goes. Yeah, still waking up, but I envisioned this last night before I went to sleep, and the vision was I caught a big 5-pound bass. So we'll see how it goes, guys. Stay tuned. Alright, so the plan is to pull up right here, launch from right here. So we'll see how this goes. Gotta be quick. Oh yeah. It's gonna be awesome. I can already feel it. Now, do I leave my truck? I might leave my truck here for a little bit and then fish it and see how it goes, and then move it if I want to, honestly. Which I don't think I do. I don't think I need to move it. Where do I go? Here. Just leave it here for now. Get all my shit out. And honestly, I could probably back up in here. I think I'm gonna back up in here. Try to hide my truck. Nope. See how that goes. And my truck's kind of hidden behind all these trees, so I should be good. Time to drag my kayak down here. Gotta try to launch from right here. Good spot to launch from. Gotta carry all my stuff down there. The truck's pretty hidden, so he'd have to pass back through to give me a ticket. I just need to hurry up, get out there. Doing it. Fucking doing it. Alright. Out here, guys. Heck yeah. top water first thing in the morning. Seeing a lot of bugs. Should I go far? Where I should go? So top water at sunrise, usually always a deal. So I'm just popping, reeling in the slack. No bites so far. Had a little one hit it. Got me excited. So what are the fish at Truxton doing, huh? What are they doing? Are they gonna spawn? Did they already spawn? Got one. Got one. Fuck yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Got one, dude. Fuck yeah. Because look at how he got it. Sheesh. Ooh, he's gonna put a hook in me doing all that. Oh, that fool needs to chill out. Ooh, he got it in there good. Damn, he got it in there fucking good. Heck yeah. What you got? Got one out here at Truxton. My good luck hat on. Got one on the popper this morning, dude. Fuck yeah. Let's go. Thanks for the bite, buddy. Who doesn't know he's free yet? There it goes. Let's go, dude. Okay, so toolies, popping the popper in the toolies. Heck yeah. Okay, so I figured out how to pop it. I was popping it too fast earlier.